What if I told you that a man in his late 50s still looks like he's in his 20s? No filters, no surgery, no secret potion, but just discipline, happiness, and a way of living that seems to turn back time. His name is Chuando Tan, a 57-year-old photographer, former model, and creative artist from Singapore. When you see him, you wouldn't believe he was born in 1966. His youthful look has made headlines around the world, and people everywhere keep asking the same question. How does he do it? Is it genetics, a miracle gene, or something much more within our reach than we think? Today we're going to explore the real story behind his ageless appearance, the 5 foods he avoids, the habits he lives by, and the mindset that keeps him young both inside and out. Because at the heart of it, Chuando doesn't chase youth, he creates it every single day. He once said, "You are what you eat." For him, staying young is 70% about diet and 30% about exercise. Every week he goes to the gym up to 5 times, but never for too long. Each workout lasts no more than an hour and a half. He keeps his training short and efficient, about 30 minutes of strength training followed by some light cardio. Because of an old knee injury, he doesn't run. Instead, he walks briskly on the treadmill and swims almost every day for about an hour. His movements are consistent but not extreme. The key is sustainability. When it comes to skincare, he believes in simplicity. He only uses 2 products, a gentle face wash and a moisturizer. That's it. He drinks plenty of water and avoids coffee, alcohol, and sugary drinks. He once tried Botox but only once and decided that natural aging, combined with a clean lifestyle, was the most authentic form of beauty. More importantly, Chuando manages his stress by doing what he loves. Photography, creativity, meeting new people, that's his world. He believes that passion keeps you alive and curious. His meals are as balanced as his lifestyle. For breakfast, he usually has 6 egg whites and 2 yolks, a slice of French toast, and roasted vegetables. When he has more time, he makes oatmeal with milk, eggs, honey, butter, and chia seeds, a perfect mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats that stabilizes blood sugar and supports heart health. For lunch and dinner, he keeps things simple: fish soup or grilled chicken breast with brown rice or vegetables. He seasons his food with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, avoiding salt and heavy sauces. Even when he eats out, he sometimes dips his food in hot water to rinse off excess sauce or MSG. For snacks, Chuando prefers almonds, cashews, and fresh berries, foods rich in antioxidants and good fats. He also has one guilty pleasure: durian, the king of fruits. Despite its strong smell, durian is packed with vitamin C, folate, manganese, and antioxidants that fight free radicals and support skin health. And yes, he loves ice cream, vanilla Haagen-Dazs. But only once a month. He eats it before noon and divides 1 cup into 3 small servings. Discipline, not deprivation, is his philosophy. But perhaps the most powerful secret lies in what he avoids. Chuando completely cuts out refined sugar because it damages collagen and shortens telomeres, the protective caps of our DNA that shrink as we age. He avoids coffee, tea, alcohol, and cigarettes. He stays away from greasy fried food and MSG-laden broths. And he never eats within 7 hours of bedtime. That's his form of intermittent fasting, which gives his body time to repair itself during the night. Over the years, these habits have really become a way of life. He doesn't think of them as rules or sacrifices, they're just choices that keep his body light and his mind calm. When you look at Chuando, you don't just see good genetics. You see the result of consistency, mindfulness, and honestly joy. You see a man who lives in harmony with his body and soul. He doesn't fight aging, he flows with it, gracefully and powerfully. The truth is, there's no magic secret. The foundation of youth is built on simple things done with care: moving your body, eating clean, loving your work, sleeping well, and, staying kind to yourself. Chuando Tan is proof that aging is not the enemy, neglect is. When you treat your body with respect and live with joy, time becomes your friend. So what's the lesson here? Youth isn't something you chase, it's something you nurture. It's in the small, daily choices, in every meal, in every smile, in every night you sleep peacefully knowing you lived well that day. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tri Tue Trum Toy, Timeless Wisdom, and share it with someone who needs a reminder that youth is not a number, it's a mindset. Until next time, stay young in your heart and wise in your mind.